Welcome guys to my channel. This is another time with unique and healthy recipes for longevity. You're welcome. Today I am preparing a recipe that will ease constipation. Constipation is a situation where someone finds it very difficult to have bowel movement. When somebody has stayed for 2-3 days and has not gone to toilet, it is not good because the waste product in your body is supposed to leave your body. So when the waste is still in your system, it will turn to become toxic, and that is not good for healthy life. So you have to let it go. And in letting it go, some people will go to the pharmacy and buy those chemical drugs. It is not ideal. It is good to use natural therapy to ease the effect of that constipation. So today what I want to show you is the remedy for constipation at home. All right, so these are the ingredients we need for this therapy today. We have ginger, we have orange here. Here in my bowl I have cloves here. Then here I have mint leaves that have been dried. That is what I have here. And again I have in my bottle lemon extract. That's all we need for today's recipe. All right, so we start with scraping the ginger. All right, so you pick the ginger like this, clean it up like this. You can blend the ginger or you grate it like this. Grated ginger. What I'm going to do now, this is the ginger in hot water. So I'm going to sieve it to have the juice. It's the juice I need for this therapy. Yeah. So, and this is just okay, fine. We cut the orange, the two of them like this, and we juice them. We juice the orange. So these are the final products of all the ingredients that we need for this therapy. This is the ginger juice. This is orange juice. This is juice extract from clove and saint leaf. Then this is lemon extract. There's no other thing, just to mix them all. So you can choose where you can mix. Now, this is also equally powerful. So I may not be finishing this, but it depends on the extent of the constipation. If it is strong, you can finish this quantity. But for this, I will not be finishing. I'll just be using like half of what I've got here. So now, this is my my ginger juice. This is my orange juice. So just mix like this. This container is small, but I think it can take everything. So I put half of my clove plus lemon, mint leaf, clove and mint leaf. The extract is what I have here. So I put half of that. See, put more. I need a bigger cup, I think. So I can add my lemon juice to it. Extract, my lemon extract, just a little lemon extract. Lemon, like I used to say, is very strong. So this is it. This therapy is ready. If you take this, it's going to help you ease that constipation. This is the remedy for constipation. All right, so this is the remedy for constipation, home remedy for constipation. Gulp this cup and I tell you, you go to toilet freely to clean your system, to detoxify your system. The taste is also nice. So this is good. It's pepperish because of the ginger, so you will not rush it, but when you finish it, it will call you to ease your bowel. Thank you. Watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.